Who doesn't like flower? Flower is always inspiring, loving, and just the beauty of nature, the smell of love, everything you can call it. And all of these flower rings are inspired by this beauty. These specific flower rings, handmade, made for special ones, because this type of rings not made for everyone, for who is special as you are. These two are from Mexico. In 2020 I was in Mexico, so I found them very special. One is with turquoise stone and one is with coral. You see the design on my hand, how beautiful. This one is also from Mexico. I was just walking in the street in Mexico City, and there are so many amazing local designers who carry their artworks in suitcase, and they just showcase it in the street. So I found this one very special and unique. This is not my size, but I love it. This is a piece of art. For me, jewelry is not just a piece of jewelry just for everyday. Sometimes it's just a piece of art, a memory, something unique that, you know, it's like a painting. When I do painting, I explain my emotion. When a designer create this beautiful flower and look at the crystal, the detail inside, they are talking about the feeling, emotion, the journey that they've been through in life. So jewelry is not just a jewelry. Jewelry talks a lot. It's a feeling, it's an emotion, it's a story. These ones, look at them, how beautiful. I've been in Guangzhou, China, before COVID. It was, I think, 2017, 2018, and these are from there, Guangzhou, an amazing artist. He was creating, and I think he's still doing that, and I'm so blessed that I have some of his amazing artworks in my jewelry collection. You can see it in my, so look at this one. And the good point is these rings are made adjustable, so it suits to anyone. You can easily adjust the size with your size of your finger. 925 silver, very unique, very arty. This is fine jewelry, I call it. It's not just a jewelry, it's not a fashion jewelry, it's more than a jewelry. And I have this one. This is very special for me. This is from my country, from a very beautiful city. You definitely heard about that city, Isfahan. And when you are in Iran, you definitely visit Isfahan. Amazing, amazing, wonderful. You will be overwhelmed by the beauty of every single piece, by the city and anything. This one, when I was a student in university, we've been in Isfahan together with all the students. Funny. And I got this one very special. So this is the memory of Isfahan. And actually this one, I won't sell it because I really love it. So this is from my own private collection with a pearl in the middle. See the wire, how they made it with wire, and then they made it a rose. This is very special, don't you think so? And did I show you this one as well? Very light, very elegant and unique. When you have this kind of rings and you don't need to have so many jewelry on. I recommend to have only one, and then that will speak all. So how did you like my secret garden with those beautiful flowers?